Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn one more about new things with the Photoshop. So we are going to make one objects with the Photoshop, and this is your first creativity objects, creativity exercise with the Photoshop. Okay, let's go ahead and try to do step by step with my this video tutorial, because this is a little bit big one, this long one, and you have to do your exercise also while pausing this exercise. It's much better to do your practice like that. So then go ahead and do the practice. We'll start today with the new. We are going to create one iPod style one MP4 player with the Photoshop. Okay, let's go ahead and see how it is, how we will make it. And first I'm going to file and new, then in here 500 and height we'll make a 500 with 400 pixels and resolution 72, and in here it's better to keep centimeters and hit OK button. Okay, we got like this layout, and now if you want, you can make it a little bit zoom until then you can see it properly on your working space. Alright, so and make sure you have the ruler in here. I already have a ruler, otherwise if you don't have the ruler, go to view and you can turn on ruler from the view menu. Alright, okay, then and second things, now we have to change this ruler settings into the centimeters. Just make sure it is in the centimeter or not. Just right click on the ruler, see it is in inches. We have now we are going to change it to the centimeter. It's easy to work with this one. I will select the centimeters with that. Okay, yeah, now you can see how it is. So what we are going to do first, before creating our objects, we have to make some guidelines in here, that inside that guidelines we are going to create our object. Okay, let's see how we'll make that. Okay, first we are going to make vertical guidelines, and you can drag and drop from ruler to here to make guidelines like this. And I will drag my first guidelines into the 4, exactly into 4. If you want, you can a little bit more, make it zoom more, then you can see where it is. It is already in the 4 one. I think it's already in the 4. And the second one, I need one more vertical guidelines. I'll keep it in the 12 in here, like that. Keep 4 and 12. This is my 2 vertical guidelines. And after that, okay, I kept 3 and 11. It's good because now it's balancing in my working space. And now I need some horizontal guidelines also for my workspace. And that one I'll take one guideline from top to here is 2, and I need one more guideline from the bottom 2. But the problem is now it's not easy to find the centimeter 2 from the bottom for you, because it's showing some different scale. For to do that, what you have to do, and this corner, this left side top corner, this origin in here, you can drag this origin till to here and you can drop it like that. Now you can see the centimeter from the bottom also 0 like that. Okay, now what you have to do, now you can drag one more guideline from here and you can drop from bottom to in this area like that. Okay, alright, now if you want to make a reset, you can double click in this corner, it will be resetting again, it will be back again to same position. Alright, okay, alright, now we are going to make some like a MP4 player, like a iPod design inside in here. And for to do that, we need create one rounded rectangle. We have to create rounded rectangle. For that, we are going to here from your shape and just click and hold this one. Now it will be appearing more options in there: rectangular, and rounded rectangle and elliptic and polygonal lines like that. So many are there. Now we need to this one rounded rectangle. Okay, we selected that. Now what we have to do, first we'll make default colors in there. Okay, we selected this one. Now we need to change our radius in this rectangle. In here it's 10, we will make it around 20 pixels. Now create the rectangle from this corner like this rectangle. All right, okay, that's good. And now we need to change the color in here. To do that, you can double click here. Okay, you got the color palette. From here you can choose whatever color you like for your device. I like that color, and I like this. Okay for me. I will hit OK. Alright, I got my basic part like this. Just hide your guidelines time being for why, because we need to work a little inside in there. For that, view and just uncheck the extras, then that all our guidelines will be removed. Okay, alright. Okay, now what we want to do, we need to give some shapes for this object. Okay, because now this is like a rounded rectangle only. We have to create some thing with this one, so it's very important. That's why I says to you to just watch video, and while pausing this video you also do your factorial if you have the Photoshop software inside your PC or desktop, laptop, whatever there. Okay, now because we need some 3D effect like in here. For that we need to give some burn effect to this left and right side vertically. For that one we are going in here, this burn tool in here. This is the one. If you go to the dodge tool and click and hold it, then it will be appearing like a dodge, burn and sponks there, and select the burn tool. Okay, now see what happened. When you select the burn tool, it's like it's given like some alert in there, because now you can see the cursor like one round and it's cut from the middle. That means we cannot apply because this is vector image. Okay, because this is vector shape, and we have to change it to the rasterized image. For that one, what you have to do, just go to your layer palette in here and right click on that one, this layer, and click here rasterize layer like this. See, now your cursor is showing small circle. That means you can apply these tools into your object. Okay, now from here keep the hardness 0 and size around like around 45-50 like that, like this is okay. Okay, just keep your size is around like a 45-50-55 whatever, and make sure hardness is keep the 0. Okay, now what you have to do, just bring your cursor to this top left corner and click. Then you have to press and hold the shift key, then click here and press and hold the shift key and come down bottom in here and press again. See what happens. And if you want, you can again click here and press the shift key and come down and do it like that. And you did 2 times in this time. If you did 2 times in this side, it's much better to do the same way to this side also. I mean, if you do 2 in here, you don't do 3, 4 in this side, because then it will getting one side dark, other side more dark like that. And I'm going to apply 2 times for this side also. What I'm doing, click here and press the shift key and coming down in here and press there also, and again click here, press the shift key down there. Okay, we give the one some burn shape to these 2 sides. Now we need to make it a little bit like another different shapes behind this burn shape, because we want to get the more 3D effect with this. To do that, this time I will go to this burn tool, and here this time I'm going to select dodge tool, and in here we need now little soft edge in these 2 sides. To do that, select from here does too, like that. Then same thing, take your mouse point to here and click, then press the shift key and come down like that and release your mouse point. And this side also you click like this and press your shift key, drag and drop the bottom and release your mouse point. See, now it got with good effect. And now there's you can see some 3D effects in there. Now again go to view, and we need to get back this all the guidelines in here. For that, go to view and just check the extras, then all the guidelines will be appearing again. Okay, now we need one more vertical guideline exactly middle in here. For that, just go to the pick tool, move tool in here, and then take one vertical guideline from here, because now you can see the exactly middle in there. Just bring and drop one vertical guideline exactly middle like that. Okay, if you doesn't have in this your snap is not turned on, you cannot see these edges. In that case, what you have to do, you have to go to the view and snap, and you can select snap is on from there. Snap is guide. You can turn on your snaps, then you can see like this middle and all the edges on your working space. Now we need to create this MP4 player operating area in the middle. Maybe you have seen MP4 player, there's some operating buttons and everything in this part. So we have to create that part in this bottom half part. Alright, so for that we need to make one circle in this bottom part. In here we need to make some small circle in this area to create our other operating objects, and bring the one more vertical guideline exactly to the middle of your object like that. Just keep that one in there. Then you go to the elliptical marquee tool to create one circle in this part, and make sure feather is 0. The sides from your fixed size just keep around like a 100, 130, 130 is okay, and then click here in the middle. Okay, now you bring this circle exactly middle in here, just like this. Now create the new layer from here. From here create the new layer, then fill this layer with the white color. Fill that layer with the white color. So, whatever color you want to fill, you can fill with that color. For me, white is good. That's why I fill the white color. If you want, you can change this color also from here. If you want like off-white or like some pink color, whatever color, you can change. For you can double click in here, and you can change if you want which color you want to do like that. Okay, but for me I like white color in here, and I'll go back to white and I'll fill with some white. Now we need one more small circle inside this circle. To create that, go to select, and from here modify, go to contract. In here you can type contract by 25 and hit OK. You can see you got the middle one more circle, but it's not the exactly look like not the circle type one. For that, what we're going to do, again go to the select, and then this time go to the refine edge. Now your background color is black. Then you can see this is not like a circle, it's like there's some corners everywhere. To make a round shape this one, in here we have to change some settings from this dialog box. To do that, I want to change this smooth until to become good round white round one. Now it's good round, and now there's some shadows in there, like dark shadows. We have to remove that one. To do that, we have to increase the contrast also until it's good like that, 92. For me it's good. Whatever is suitable for you and your eyes, you can change your contrast also, and then hit OK. Now hit the delete key. Wow, now you can see the little bit look like a MP4 player shape. Deselect. To the deselect, press the Ctrl D. Otherwise you can change from here also deselect, but it's easy to change with the keyboards. Ctrl D to deselect. To give more natural 3D effect into this, select your layer 1, this one, first layer 1, and right click on your layer 1 and go to blending option, and in here select the drop shadow. Change your distance is too much, select around like 2, so too much. Type it 1. Yeah, that's good. 1 is good. If you want, you can go for the 1.75. That's more better. And in here opacity, change around like 40 is okay. 40 opacity is okay. Then click the inner shadow from here. Here distance also select 1.75. that's good. And opacity, whatever it's okay with you can use your how do you want it. For me, just for me it's like this. Okay, right now time being. Okay, then hit the OK button. Now we almost done in the bottom part. Okay, the bottom part almost okay. We have some works more in this part, and now we need a display in this top part. Okay, we need to create the display in this part. To do that, we need one more guidelines in here, this area, and we need 2 vertical guidelines. One in here, 2 vertical guidelines. Now bring one more vertical guidelines into here. Okay, now we need one more rounded rectangle into this place. Create our display, and you will then go to the shapes in here and select the rounded rectangle. This time this radius change 10. Then create one rounded rectangle in here like that. Okay, we create one rounded rectangle in there. Now you need to change it to the rasterize image, this one, because this is a vector, because you cannot apply anything for the vector objects. You cannot play with the vector objects. Then you have to go to this layer palettes, and in here this is our rectangle 2, and here you right click, then here rasterize. You have to click rasterize from here. Now it is rasterize image. Now you can work with this. Okay, again we will remove this all the guidelines, because we need to work again in this area. To do that, now go to view and uncheck this extras. Okay, all has gone, because now this display part is white color. We need to give some natural display color into this part. Normally it's like a light black color. For that, what we have to do, and we need to give some gradients colors into this one. How we give the gradients color into the this part, and here this is a foreground and background color. That is already defaulted, and black and white like that. And what we're going to do, we'll select the foreground color. We are going some light black gray type one here like that, and we'll hit OK. And then we'll go to the background color also, and we'll do some darker version than the foreground color. Okay, and in here, from here, click and hold and select the gradient, and make sure in here linear gradient and not the other one, the radial, and select the linear gradient. And now it's very easy. What you have to do, press and here just make sure mode is normal, opacity is 100%, and now apply your gradient into this. To apply gradients into this display part, what you have to do, this press and hold the shift key and click inside thumbnail of this rounded rectangle. Shift key and inside here. Okay, now it's selected. Now what we have to do, change the settings like that, and then from here we have to select the black like that. Then now you can apply your gradients like that, this one, and then deselect, Ctrl D. Then right click in your this rectangle 2 and duplicate that layer. Okay, then it will become as a layer copy. Okay, now we have a layer rectangle 2 and rectangle 2 copy. Now this rectangle 2 copy, you need to make a little smaller than the rectangle 2, because otherwise you can't see the difference in between that two. Because of that, we need that rectangle 2 to make a little smaller than the rectangle 2. Then we have to make a little smaller rectangle 2 copy, because of otherwise we can't see the rectangle 2. Then to do that, this select this one. And if you cannot see, just press the Control T. Okay, now you can see. If you click the Control T, you can see that one. Then just press Shift and Alt key and make it a little smaller than the rectangle 2. Now we need to make it to the flip horizontal, because otherwise we can't see the like a 3D effect in there. To do that, go to Edit, Transform and flip horizontal. So what we have to do, go to Edit, and in here Transform options is there, and here and flip horizontal. See, now you can see some difference in there. Okay, now we almost done that part also. Now we need to put one image into this part. For that one, we have to bring one image from our image gallery. So we need one image. Just I don't have a special selected image for this one. Just time being, I will bring one image to you to show this practical only. So then we have to insert one image into this part. We will see how we'll do that one. Okay, so I'm going to my image gallery and I will check what I have in there to put one image. So I bring this image. Okay, I open one image from there. Then I will separate this image from my canvas. I want to make it a little smaller. Now we need to insert this image inside to this place. So to do that, so first we have to select this image. Then I will press the Ctrl A and then Ctrl C to copy that. Then after that, use my shape to copy. Then press the Ctrl key and this click the middle of the thumbnail in here like that. Okay, now selected in this place. Now what we are going to do, now go to the edit and in here paste special in there. Then select the paste into. Okay, now this image already in here. Now we have to resize that image. Okay, now we inserted one image into that iPod. Now top part almost done. Now we need some more work in the bottom part, because this operating area we need a play pause button and forward and menu, some buttons in here. Otherwise it's not look like a natural type. Because of that we need some extra things to do in this place. Okay, to do that, what we are going to now, we have to go to the shape tools. We have to grab some small shapes tools to this part. Otherwise we have to create small shapes to this one. Okay, let's go ahead and try that part also. Here go to the custom shapes. From the custom shapes, this is good, and take this arrow and just draw one small arrow in here like that. Okay, and just select the pick tool and bring it to here, some like this, exactly middle area, and keep it small, make it a little smaller. This is the play button. Normally you know the play button, and we need a pause button also. For create pause button, what we are going to in here take rectangle marquee tools and create a small turn like that one, and fill that also with this color. Fill it like that color. Okay, then press the Ctrl D to deselect and select the pick tool and bring that on our page up. Okay, this is the play button, and now we need to create the pause button. For do that, what you are going to do, and we will create one pause button here, small pause button like that. And okay, now play and pause button is almost okay, and then we need to forward and backward buttons from here. For that one, we will select the set tool and we will duplicate that one, duplicate that layer, and now we will bring that duplicate one to front, and we will bring this both of them into here, and press Ctrl and Shift key to make it a little small then. Okay, and then duplicate this again and bring the duplicate one to here and make it one more duplicate like that. These things were easy. Now you will and select both of them and make it like that, one into this side. Now we need to rotate them, edit, transform with horizontal. Now it's in the other side. Now we need one menu in here also. To do that, just select the simply text, and in here select normal this in here, and in here select the menu. In here you can select from board like that, and this part all this one. Okay, this is the practical today, and we work with a lot of tools in the Photoshop today, and now you have some good idea about these things, and you must practice more and more, work like these things, and you can create some different objects with Photoshop like that, and then you will become more expert with the Photoshop. Alright, thank you very much. Go ahead and do the practice, and you don't forget to subscribe my channel. Just touch some comments in the comment section below in there, and share with your ideas with me. For my knowledge, we will share with you, and then we will meet again with our next video. Alright, thank you very much. Go ahead and do your practice.